We are excited to show you how to convert a quotation to an invoice. The process is quick and easy, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. There are a few items that needs updating in order to use this function to its full potential. Please navigate to your business profile. In the quotation and invoice notes section, you can add custom notes. Alternatively, add a link to your company's terms and conditions page. Your bank details will also be displayed on the PDF invoice. Adding your bank details and payment link will enable your clients to pay you faster. Let's get started. Navigate to a task and select Quotes. Click on the plus button to add a new quotation. Now enter the details for the quotation. You can elaborate and add details of what you are proposing in this section. Save the detailed description and proceed to adding products. Once you completed adding all the products to your quotation, you have two options. Close the quotation via the X in the top right corner. This option allows you to edit the documents at a later time. The second option is to publish the quotation, ready to be emailed and shared with your clients. The quotation is now saved and ready for you to send. By default, the client and technician are both added as recipients. You can remove either via the checkboxes or add new recipients via the plus on the top right of the pop-up screen. Should you need to resend the quotation, you can do so via the Send Again button. Should you still wish to make changes after the quotation has been published, you can make a copy of the quotation and edit the copied version. Please note this can't be done once the quotation has been emailed. You have now successfully shared the quotation. The client can sign off and accept the quotation via the emailed link. Alternatively, the client can sign off and accept the quotation on the technician's device. If the client is invited and a registered user, the client can access and sign off the quotation via the customer portal. Once your client accepts the quotation, you can convert the quote to an invoice. At PipeApp, we understand that the client may not always be available to sign off the quotation. Therefore, we enabled the ability to convert a quotation to an invoice regardless if the quotation was signed off. You can still collect a signature after an invoice was created. Clients with access to the customer portal can also convert a quotation to an invoice. Invoices can be downloaded via the print button at the top right of the screen. Once downloaded, you can share the invoice from your own email service or share a copy with your accounts department. This feature is not intended to be a replacement for your existing accounts software but an alternative for manual paper invoices. It is, however, a great supplementary tool to work in tandem with your current accounts software, as all the documentation is saved in one easy-to-access location. It also allows you to capture customer signatures with the click of a button.